It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. Actor Ryu Junyol and Girls Day Yeri confirm breakup after 6 years of relationship. Ryu Junyol and Lee Yeri have parted ways. On November 13, according to the exclusive reports from the News One, that the two couple recently decided to end their relationship and decided to become close colleagues after their 6 years of relationships. In response to the report, Ryu Junyol's agency, CGES Studios, and Lee Yeri's agency, Creative Group ING, both confirmed the breakup of the two stars, stating,
"It is true that they broke up."
The news came as a shock for the fans of the couple. They also reported that their colleagues and those in the entertainment industry were saddened by the news because they were dating for such a long time. The co-stars, who officially confirmed their relationships in 2017, soon emerged as the power couple of the industry, maintaining a strong relationship for the several years. However, the recent reports of the two stars deciding to go their separate ways and have mutually decided to continue their connection as a friend after their careful deliberation. The two appeared in the hit TVN's K-drama Reply 1988 from 2015 to 2016, where Ryu Junyol played as Kim Jong-wan, falls in love with his childhood friend Sung Dok-sun, who played by Lee Yeri. In August 2017, they went public with their dating relationship, who also confirmed both their agencies, announced that the two have been in a romantic involvement that developed from their friendship. Though they came out and declared about their dating publicly, they kept their dating relationship life in private. And now, they chosen to end their 6 years of relationship and they mutually decided to go on their separate ways and continue their connection as a close colleagues. Lee Yeri would be appearing in the 2024 film entitled Victory, while Ryu Junyol is also set for the next release of The Alienoid Part 2, which will be released in 2024 as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.